we've got the puppies barking as well. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
Robbie, where are you? I don't see you.
There she is. There she is. There she is.
Hi. There's my girl.
There she is. Is your mummy here?
That's your mommy.
Come on then.
Chloe.
Chloe. Who's that? Who's that? She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Who is it? Who is it? Hey, Charlie. Who is it, Charlie? Jack? Who is it? Who's this?
Hi.
Who's this?
Hi.
Who's
Hi.
this?
You miss
Is
me?
that your mummy?
Yeah. Hi, boys. Hi. Hi. Okay, let me get my purse down.
Oh my
Okie
word.
dokie. Okie dokie. Okay, let me get settled.
Oh my
All
word.
right. All right. All right. Okay, Dad. Let me get myself settled. All right, boys. Hi, guys. Make sure it's filming. Where's Chloe? Where'd your daddy go? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Chloe? Where's your daddy? Where's daddy? Go find daddy. Go find daddy. Chloe? Where's your dad? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Where's your dad? Where's your dad? There's your daddy! There's your dad! Good job! Good job! You found your daddy! Yes, you did! You found your daddy, Chloe! Yes, you did! Good job! Good job! Thanks, Chloe. Daddy! Where's your daddy? Huh? Where'd daddy go? Chloe, go find daddy. Go find daddy. Go find daddy. Where'd daddy go? Go find him. Where'd daddy go? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Chloe, where's your dad? Where's your dad? Chloe, where's daddy? Where's daddy? Go find your daddy. Where is he? Sniff him out. Where's your dad? Dad, where's daddy? Where's your dad? Where's your dad? Yay! Good job! Good job, Chloe! Good job, baby. Good job. You found daddy. Good job. Good job. Woohoo! Piece of ice. Yum. See, Chloe says, I love ice, mommy. Chloe, another piece of ice? Oh, it's nice. Where's your daddy go? Chloe, where's daddy? Where's your daddy? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Ah, you found him.
That was easy.
Good job. Good job. You found your daddy. Good job. You're a good girl, baby girl. Good job. Good job.
Okay, the weather's a bit nicer, so we're doing some inside games. We're doing hide and seek. Chloe is going to try and find her mum. Chloe, go find your mum. Where's your mum? Where's your mum? Go find her. Where is she? Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Where's your mummy? Go find her. Go find her. Go find her. Go find her.
You found me.
She's cheats. She's cheating.
She did. You knew where I was at, girl.
Okay, hide and seek part 2. And Chloe is going to try and find her mum again. Come on, Chloe, where's your mummy? Where's your mummy? Go find her. Go find her. Quickly, go find her. Where's she? Where's she gone? Where's your mummy? Go find her. Go find her. No, not in there. No. I think we've already been in here. Go find. Go look. Go search. Go search. Go search. Ooh. Mummy's hidden good today. No. Oh, puppies. Go find her. Go find her. Call over, Chloe. Call over. Go find her. Where is she? Yeah. Oh, you're not very good at this now, Chloe. Oh, Mummy was disguised with a tree. She was disguised with the tree.
Yay! Come on! You found me! You found Mommy! Hi, here's the treats, yes. One for Charlie. One for Charlie. One for Jack. Good boy, Jacker. And Chloe. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, is Daddy playing hide and seek on you again? Aw, let's go find your Daddy. Chloe, search Daddy out. Chloe, where's your dad? Go find Daddy. Where's your dad? Is he hiding on you again? Where's Dad? Go find Dad. Where is he? Where's your Daddy? Where's your Daddy? Go find Daddy. He's got keys. He's got keys. Find your Daddy. Where is he? Where's your Daddy? Where's your Daddy? Where's your Daddy? Where's Chloe? Chloe, where's your dad? Go find your dad. Go find your dad. Go find Daddy. Go find your dad. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? He's not on the bed. Where's Daddy? Where is he? God. Where's your dad? Go find your dad. Go find Daddy. Where is he? Go find him. Where is he? Quickly, quickly. Quickly, where's your daddy? Go find him. Hurry, hurry. Where's Daddy? Where is he? You don't know? You don't know? Where are they, Jack and Charlie? Where are they? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where is he? Is he in the door? Where is he? Oh, where's Daddy? Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Chloe, Chloe. Where's your dad? Where's your dad? Oh. Where's Dad? Do it again. There's an arm around the camera. Back over here. Woo! Where's Daddy? You can hear him. Where's Daddy? Chloe. Where's your dad? Where is he? Where is he? Do it again. Oh! Woo! Let's get Daddy! Let's get Daddy! Good job, baby girl. What else can you do on a rainy day here in Orlando, Florida? Oh, hold on. I got smacked. Alright, go again.
Ready?
Where'd Daddy go? You gotta go the other way so I can get her, you goober. You gotta go this way towards me. Alright.
Okay.
One more time. Come my way. Whoop, where'd you go? Comes Daddy. job, baby girl. Good job. So, boy, get the rain gone so I can go back outside. Dad's exhausted. Say, Daddy, that was fine. Let's do it again.
No. Okay. Now we're gonna get the puppies in, and they're gonna have some treats, and then they're gonna go potty with Chloe, and then
I thought I just bought a new bag.
and then it's night time.
Babe, didn't I just buy a new bag?
I'm not sure.
It's in the bathroom still. Oh, sorry.
Dad.
Edit it out.
Okay. Okay, we're just gonna let the puppies through. I've got some treats. I've got Chloe here with me, so when they come through, it's gonna be chaos.
Are you ready?
I don't know why I have to do this all the time, but okay.
Huh?
Here we go. Yep, let them through. Here they come. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my I've got treats in my hand, by the way.
It's a frenzy.
My hands are so wet. My hands are so wet. My fingers. Oh my god. Chloe. Oh my god. They're gone.
Okay, have treats.
Okay.
It's Charlie. It's
Come on, Charlie.
the beast.
Charlie.
Oh, hi, honey. Hi, honey.
There we go.
Oh, God. He's...
There we go, Charlie. Charlie, go potty. Let's go potty. Come on. Let's go potty. Oh my word. Whew. Come on. Oh, here comes. Are you ready? What do you want? 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 I've got nothing left. I've got nothing left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Look at your mummy.
Make sure.
Yes, mummy.
Hi, Chloe. You ever wonder what it looks like being upside down? Oh, God! Babe! Not with him. Oh, I got water right in my eyeball. Stop. You got all your
Okay, we're going to let the puppies out because they are wild. So I'm just going to open this back door and away they go. There we go. Oh, there's Charlie. Come on then, go potty. Come on, Chloe. Come on, Jack. Here comes Jack. There we go. Hi, Jack. Whew. Okay, guys. That's a bit of indoor fun. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.